the big guy. Finally, I don't have to use the hand grinder to brew, to drip a nice cup of coffee every morning. Instead, I can use this baby. If I could get the box off, right? Let's see. Open this way. It's called Ode, the Brew grinder. It's from Fellow Products. A good friend of mine, another coffee addict. He suggested I get it, or he recommended it because he really likes it. He used to have the other bird grinder. I forget from where. I think it's like the Amazon Prime, like the most popular one. It's like $139. But this baby over here is a little pricey. A bit pricey actually. But according to Daniel, it's worth it. And he's really honest about what to buy and stuff. Some people say, get the expensive one just for the heck of it because you know it's gonna be better. But, so let's see what's in here. So I think this shows like which type of grinds you want to do depending on what kind of coffee you want to make. There's like Prismo, cupping, AeroPress, which I already have, pour over, which I do most of the time. Electric coffee maker, I never use that. French press, no. Cold brew, yes. So I do cold brew and AeroPress and pour over, those three types. And then we have an espresso machine just for when guests come over, so I don't have to work. So inside we have, I think this is the cup where you, of course, you know, set the dial. Oh wow, holy.
It's magnetic, not metallic. Oh wow, that's amazing.
So Daniel said this part over here that stops the grinds, sometimes it goes all over the place, but they do give you this nice brush to just, you know, brush it back in nice and neatly. That's crazy. Oh my gosh. It looks small, but it's heavy. It's heavy. I want to test this thing out. Let's go over there and test it out. Here we have it. Let's see how to do this. So first, the beans, 20 grams. Yep. Okay. So you cover it up there. Oh, what do I want to do? I want to do pour over, so 4 and 5-ish. So I'm gonna put it like 4. Oh, this is kind of sturdy. That's good. I'm gonna put this in there, and then power button, right?
Actually, we want to put this on there. I'll try it on as is, you know? As they tell me to do it.
Pretty loud. You want to do that, and then remove the catch. Oh, I see what it means. See, so you want to kind of like put them in. Oh, it smells so good. All my fellow products, you know, kettle, now the grinder, now the dripper. This is the extra large size.
I'm gonna put the grind in here. 20 grams, all 20 grams. Nope, nice and clean.
While that's going, I used to use this, the hand grinder from Hario. It's good, but your arm hurts. So I'm gonna save this for camping. This is the smaller dripper compared to the large.
Okay. So now it's ready. I'm gonna just wet the grind. Just let it go for about 30 seconds.
Think about this picture. So manly, right? It's like that Chewbacca. Is it Chewbacca? From Star Wars. I think it is. Yeah, it is Chewbacca. So here we go. So we have to drip the coffee within 4 minutes. If you do it too fast, sometimes you don't get all of the coffee flavor. I think that's why they give you that time frame, and people do get this weighing scale with a time clock, stopwatch. We'll see how the coffee tastes. Yeah, so if you look, I don't know if you could see that. Let's see, can you? I don't know if you could see that, but it's pretty flat. It is very flat. Looks a little light, but I think it's because I only put 20 grams. It's good. It's still dark. I mean, I think it's because the coffee itself is good. It's from Blue Bottle. It's like the 17th ceiling, or something like that. Espresso beans. These are very good actually. I need to get some more. We got the old brew grinder. I would give it 5 stars out of 5. 5 stars. You know, if you're a coffee lover and you're gonna use it every day like I am, get it. It's a good investment, I think. Rather than doing it, with a hand grinder manually. This is gonna save about like good 5 minutes. Yeah, that's it. Enjoy my coffee. Bam. 좋아요, 구독